Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to add a bookmark on your Google Chrome Android. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video.
So to add the bookmark, you just search any website first. So I just searching as a Google or social bait. For an example, I just social bait I actually visit to know the subscribe changes and views changes. So you just click on the three dots here, you can click on the bookmark. So the bookmark was added, so click on the plus symbol, you can find the bookmark. So I just going to show the full tutorial of the bookmark. So I just want to add another website or Google search can be also add as a bookmark. For an example, I just type as tech apps and I just click on it and I just add it as bookmark. Just click on the three dots, go to the bookmark option here, you can see. So there is a bookmark option here. So now here you just want to consider the bookmarks can be moved from here to folder. You can delete it, you can edit it, you can click on the undo to retain the bookmarks. Okay, so now I just going to the bookmarks and you can see I just going to move down or move to and I can create a folder. So click on the new folder and name it as for an example, it's essential tools or Instagram important, something like that, and you can just move to the folder. So you can consider many folders and you can have many website bookmarks on different folders. So this will be easy to find the particular things about an Instagram or about your YouTube or particular application, technological or medicine related. So whatever you want, you can easily folder it and you can make a bookmark, you can add it on the Chrome. So this is so useful.
Friends, if you find this video perfectly useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Chrome, just follow this channel and we will meet on next video with a valuable Google Chrome content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.